If your lower back hurts, I can almost guarantee you that you have very tight IT bands. Now your IT bands are on the sides of your leg, but I'm going to keep this really simple. When your lower back hurts, I can guarantee you that if you use a rumble roller, that your lower back pain will go away. Because whenever you're in pain, you got to go through some pain to get out of pain. Most of the times when people are in pain, they go to the doctor. What does the doctor do? Well, the doctor gets a patient. Patient's in pain. The doctor asks, what are you doing? The patient will say, I'm doing boot camp, or I'm doing SUF, or this workout where we lift weights. The doctor has no x-ray vision, so what is the doctor going to say? Well, why don't you go ahead and stop doing that for 2 weeks or so? So don't do that. Don't go to the doctor, with all due respect to all you doctors out there. Instead, try to find a chiropractor that's more knowledgeable on people that work out, or if you just want to skip all that, get one of these things, a rumble roller. This is a rumble roller. It's better than a foam roller because it has these little bumps on the end. These bumps simulate the thumbs of a massage therapist, so they get into your knots. Now here's how you use it. I'm going to show this to you real quick. The first time you do this, it might be very painful, but you're going to feel so amazing afterwards. You start off getting into the push-up position and get your right above your knee. Get on top of the rumble roller. You can lay down first, just kind of get like in a plank position. Then try to get your knee off the ground and just roll it all the way towards your hip and roll it back. What I like to do is 5 times up and down and try to go for about 1 inch per second. I'm going a little faster now, so like 1, 2, this speed right here. When you do that, you make sure that you get all the knots out, and when you feel a very tender spot, try to hold it there for about 20-30 seconds. So what I like to do is get on my inner thigh first, then I'll roll over and I'll get on my outer thigh right here. So I get all the way to my hip right here. You're going to feel it all the way loosen up, and then all the way down to my knee. You're really going to feel that right there. Roll it, roll it, roll it, all the way down. Now you do that again 5 times. Then comes the hard one. If you can actually move the camera over here on this side. Then comes the hard one. That's when you get on your sides. So you put your feet up in the air. You start by your hip right here. And then you roll it 1 inch per second all the way down. What you're doing now is your IT band. Now, when you loosen all this up, I guarantee you that the pressure on your lower back will be relieved, especially if you have an office job. That's going to relieve all the pressure on your lower back. And a lot of times when you go to a massage therapist, they'll tell you you have tight IT bands, and that causes your pain. Now, just do that for now. Just do your inner thigh, your outer thigh, and your IT band. Roll it up and down 5 times, 1 inch per second. Guarantee you your lower back pain will be better. Rumble rollers are on sale at SUF for $45. If you can find a better one somewhere else, go get that one. But I do want to make sure that you are rolling yourself, that you're massaging yourself. Because if you're in pain, you got to go through pain to get out of pain.